Okay, this is an update on the jcpenney riding lawnmower. I duct taped the seat, if you can tell. Looks better. Well, there ain't anything poking your butt while you're sitting on it. So. The deck, I got the pulley on here finally. I drilled that out. The deck engages, but I don't think there's the right belt on it. I don't think it has the right belt on it. I don't have the right belt on the drive pulleys. It's on there, but it's just on there to be on there, because I wanted to see if everything had gauged. And it did, and that's a bad tire. These tires are definitely bad. And that one over there. Oh well. I took the shroud off the 7 horsepower. I did that because I wanted that pull starter on there instead of the cup right there. So there's a spare carb. And I don't know, I might be able to get a snow blower too, so I'll be able to apply the snow. I have a 4-wheeler with the pile, but it's missing the, what is it called, the little skid thing. I think it's a skid, I don't know. It keeps the blade from wearing down as quick. That spring is just there so to keep it from what do you call it? Oh, keep it at an idle. I'll try to start it anyway. This is a cold start. It's just idle in that low because it's cold. It's like about -10. Smokes a little bit because there's oil in the gas, because this hasn't ran for how many ever years, so just to lubricate the upper part of the cylinder. I changed the oil in it, and ran it a couple minutes, and it's still pretty damn black, so pretty sure the oil in this has never been changed. Oh well. Didn't want to run it too long. I don't know what year this one is. It's that clicking noise is me turning it from like far focus to close focus. It's a 82. The first 2 numbers right there. See? The 82. This engine was made in 82. Check the cylinder for scarring, and it's not bad. There's some, but they're not deep. You could probably hone it out if you rebuilt it. That's the full code. I had to sand it off. Somebody painted it black, and now it covered the numbers, so I just took some fine sandpaper and sanded it off. This shroud is off of it because it was rubbing, and it really made me an obnoxious noise. So, and then I think I'm just gonna cut this little flap thing off of here, because See, it's like right on the edge of there. Let me put this focus in again. But it's like right on the edge of there. This thing. I think I'm just gonna cut that off, because I think that's what's rubbing. It's rub marks right there. I stole the shroud off the 7 horsepower. And the piece that was on the top, that originally came off this engine. So. I'm supposed to get another 7 horsepower, so a newer one, probably like a 90. Not too much newer, because it still has one of the older, like what do you call them? Die-cast steel. One of them posters. It has one of them on it, so I didn't look at the year. It's got a nice muffler on it though. It's like a brand new one. And I'm supposed to be getting a snowblower, maybe. I don't know about that yet. Not a nice one really. It's kind of like the one I took the 5-horse engine off of. Which I'll probably put on that one because it has a Tecumseh on there. I hate Tecumsehs. Yeah, it kind of smoked up the shop a little bit. So, unplug this light because I'm done working out here. But yeah, that's all adjusted and everything. So, yep. Turn this light off. And I might be getting around and putting the 10 horse on something, so don't get too wonderish about that. There's the mini bike, which needs to go somewhere, and it had a blizzard 2 days ago. Most of it's melted, but it's still deep anyway. And it's like minus flipping 10. The weather prediction for tonight is minus 20, minus 25. And that's pretty crazy, don't you think? And I'll do a real quick update on the other lawnmower. This thing that's pissed that I just said that I'm just leaving alone. Ooh, I wonder if that's got the same steering wheel on it. Same shaft anyway. I don't think it does. No, it don't, because I remember trying to put that on the go-kart. Oh well. I need to put my pressure washer away. Oh, shit. That's what's been happening. It snowed out pretty dang good. It's not snowing now, but cold enough to see my breath. So, don't know if you can see that or not. Oh well. See ya, tubers.